everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the Hoover WindTunnel MAX bagged vacuum cleaner. And I'm going to show you the problems with it. So don't throw your vacuum out yet. Don't throw it out just yet, because you can fix it. And don't just waste your $100 and just throw out your vacuum. Don't do that, don't do that. That's all I made for a vacuum cleaner. But this has got powerful suction. I'm happy with it. And this week I've been testing it, and I'm happy to find out the results of what the problem is. So you see this bag, how this is put in? This is not correct. You probably won't even be able to put it on, because it's so hard to put this guy on. This is not installed the proper way. What you need to do is take your bag, put it in like this, make sure you get through slides, put it in like this. This is how you want your bag. Make sure you slide in through there. And make sure it doesn't rub up against the rubber gasket through there. So just push it in, and it'll click in. So now, we ran the vacuum cleaner and something weird was happening. So do you want to see what happened, everybody? It was very loud after someone changed the bell. Do you know what that possibly could be, viewers? Think for a minute. You ready to hear what it sounds like? This whole entire room shook. Like, literally. The whole entire room shook. So make sure you're prepared for this. I would turn down your voice a little bit on your TV because this is really loud. So that's how loud it was. It was really loud. I even covered my ears because that hurt my ears so much. So most of you, and me, thought that I just bought this and there's a problem with it. And I thought there was something really wrong with it and I couldn't even fix it, and that's what I thought. Until we saw this. Before you do any maintenance on your vacuum cleaner, make sure you unplug it. Wind up your cord. So now what you're going to do is flip your vacuum over. So now we're in. So do you see this plastic part right here? This plastic part's not supposed to be here. Let me show you viewers. So this plastic part is not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be on this pole. Same thing with this one over here. It's rubbing against the bristles and making a really loud sound. You can see that, everybody. So now we're going to show you how to install it the proper way. Now your vacuum should be fixed. If it's not, call an expert. to put your cover back on. Don't over tighten the screws into the plastic because that could crack the plastic and you won't have any more plastic and it won't hold this piece on. Alright everybody, now you can flip your vacuum back over. And that issue should be solved. If you want to see us testing it, watch right now. You resolved your issue, and now your carpet looks much more cleaner. And it's not loud to hurt your ears. Remember everybody, don't toss it, fix it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.